Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, special guest, and the House. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today we are here. I don't have to say anything, but why we are here? Because everybody already know that we are here because we have achieved something over the last 2 years. Yes, we have received two new certificates from GIZ, and I must thank GIZ, Dr. Andy and his team, who has given training to our people, who has educated us, and who has given this. GIZ has given us other support also by instruments and all. Parallelly, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, they have come forward and they have established their setup in our shipyard, which is really great. We never expect that Ministry of Health will come forward and they will set up their doctor facilities and other things over there, and they will support us by medicine. And with this, we have given our logistic supports, and now it has grown a tree, nice tree, which is green and giving us good fruits. Basically, we have started from 2009, but 1st June 2010, our Honorable State Minister inaugurated this program in our shipyard, and from there we and our people motivated to achieve these certificates. So as you know, the series of things has been done, and you have seen the curve of the injuries and all these things has gone down to zero. So our main motto to have zero injuries by end of 2012. Our doctor always said he will try to achieve, but I must say, being a managing director, he must do it by end of 2012, zero injuries. Then our workers will help, they will laugh, and their family will be having peace life. As you know, we are not giving support to our people only. We are giving support to our people's family who are staying beside us, who are our neighbor. 25,000 Kashmir area people, basically women and children, they are getting support. And again, I thank our minister that we are getting doctors, the family doctors for the women every 2 days in a week. But through today's meeting, I like to request our Honorable Minister, sir, this area is a really very bad affected area. The GIZ has surveyed the area. They found the child mortality and the pregnancy casualties is more over there before. Now it has come down. So if you please look into the matter and give us full day, whole 724 supports over there, then it will not cost you more, but at the end, our poor people will be getting benefited. As I have to shortcut my things, so let's see. What is your policy? Our policy is quality, timely delivery, joint venture, and CSR. Yes, all these 4 things in our policy matters, basic policy matters. And GIZ is integrated their supports for all these things. They are with us for quality, they are with us for timely delivery and timely doing things. They are giving us support like joint venture. And last one, the CSR, corporate social responsibility. Definitely they are giving us. And with their help, now we have received 3 certificates. One is ISO 9001 quality, one is health, that is 18,000, and environment was is 14,000. All these 3 certificates now in our hand. I believe in Bangladesh, no other shipyard, no other industry is having these 3 certificates, which internationally called IMS certified company, integrated management system company. So we can proudly say, Western Marine, after receiving this certificate today, that we are the IMS certified company, which the international people, international buyer, they understand very nicely. And what will gain on that? You know, in European market, to get any order, to get any ship's order, you must have environmental certificates. You must have OSHA certificate. And quality certificates everybody having nowadays. So this IMS certified company can easily enter to this business. This is our achievement. I hope within these 3 certificates, we can step to a bigger horizon. Finally, we are talking about CSR. Now, since we are giving service to our country, We are making ships for our own country. We are giving support as import substitution, and we are working for a global market also. We can now aim for GSR, not CSR, global social responsibility, because we have to save our environment, we have to save our people now, and we have to give green globe to our next generation. Thank you very much.